Shattered dreams and the pieces across the floor. But where do I begin? It feels like I've lost control.
Ladies, time is running out for you to get your tickets for our Devoted Ladies Conference, which is going to be on the 20th of October. It's going to run from 9:30 until 5, and tickets are just £20. Now that includes all your teaching throughout the day, including teaching from special guest Denise from Hope Church in Newtown, and it includes your lunch and refreshments as well throughout the day. So book your tickets today. You can get them from the foyer, from the website, or from Exchange too. So get your tickets today for Devoted.
It can be healing now, 'cause this is where hope is found. No matter the shame deep down, I can bring it to you.
Are you interested in being part of the worship team here at Excel Church? Well, if you are, we've got church band auditions taking place on the 14th of October at 4 p.m. There's also going to be a vocal workshop running at the same time, so if you want to get involved in singing in the band, then that's going to be running for you. If you want any more details, please speak to Dan about our church band auditions on the 14th of October.
And it can make me whole. So all of the pain I hold, I can bring it to you. I can bring it to you. It can be.
Here's something new that we're going to be launching at the end of October. It is our Leadership Development Nights. So they're going to be for anybody who's a leader here at Excel or who aspires to leadership as well. So everybody is welcome. And they're going to take place every time there is a 5th Wednesday in the month. So the first one will be on the 31st of October at 7:30 p.m. That's our Leadership Development Nights. Hope to see you there.
Oh, no matter where I wander, I am never too far, too far. There is a love I know.
That wraps up Excel News for this week, but remember you can check out our website for details of anything that goes on here, or you can speak to our lovely welcome team as well. Hope you have a fantastic week, and we'll see you back next Sunday.